and we are going towards Canada, still in Alaska. We are in the southeast side of Alaska. Right now crossing Johnson River.
Tears drying on their face. He has been here.
Look at this.
Brothers lie in shallow graves. Fathers lost without a trace. A nation blind to their disgrace.
We are driving still in Alaska from dog to chicken. We have still 51 miles.
And I see no bravery.
We are in the Taylor Highway.
In your eyes, and I'm only sadness.
Which runs from Tetlin Junction to Eagle. 165 miles, which in winter is close.
The smell of death is in the air.
Okay, this is Chicken Town.
He has been here.
Definitely. Gosh.
The sky. It's another family's turn to die. A child afraid to even cry out.
I was expecting adventure, but not this kind. Definitely.
No bravery, no bravery in your eyes anymore, only sadness. And I see no bravery, no bravery in your eyes anymore, only sadness.
Gosh, this is a town like Mad Max film.
There are children standing here, arms outstretched into the sky, but no one asks the question why he has been here. All men need to accept their fate, wives and daughters cut and raped. A generation drenched in hate says he has been here.
National Historic Site.
No bravery, no bravery in your eyes anymore, only sadness. And I see no bravery, no bravery in your eyes anymore. And I see no bravery, no bravery in your eyes anymore, only sadness. And I see no bravery, no bravery in your eyes anymore, only sadness.
Okay, these are
Only sadness.
this how campings are. We are entering a wet day. This is the campsite. This is when I say this time is to go a little bit slow. Okay, well, now we are
going for the thrill of a ride.
on
Wasn't in the plan to be
the direction
gone
of
for long,
Canada.
but he keeps looking back
Alaska.
over his shoulder. Yeah, he knows that something might go wrong. The ride, it ain't smooth, that is for sure. Strange move,
This is the
that
border.
is the cure. He's got that feeling of impending doom,
Of Canada.
like being trapped in a casket inside a tomb. Death defied by will, like a drug that doesn't kill. Boy, you gotta learn what's true. Death defied by will, like a drug that doesn't kill. All the joke is on you. You ought to know
We thought
better.
the road was tarmac, and back to this. These wobbly
He's
sometimes.
determined to outsmart this snake. With conviction, he will stand his ground. Feeling invincible like death itself. But his immortality won't be found.
We're on the road called Top of the World. This is Canada, on the way to Dawson City.
Fulfill his fate. He doesn't know that this is
And
his
we'll
last
keep going.
drive. On the road we call a life. Death defied by will, like a drug
Hey.
that doesn't kill.
This is
Boy,
the
you
ferry that we
gotta
use in order to get to
learn
Dawson
what's
City.
true. Death defied by will,
This is Dawson
like a
City.
drug that doesn't kill. Now the joke is on you. Now the time has come, you can't play around, and you ought to know better. You ought to know better. Death defied by will, like a drug that doesn't kill. Boy, you gotta learn what's true. Death defied by will, like a drug that doesn't kill. Now the joke is on you.